Hello, hello everyone. It is Laura Louise with Restyle Lemons here on the Paint Pixie page. I got a door behind me. I have about 5 colors I've put together that I'm going to add to this door. And for those of you who don't know, I am I custom paint furniture, so I'm in the throes right now of putting together some items for staging furniture. So this is one of the pieces I thought would be fun to have you guys join me on. I've already primed it. I can see with that light. Oh, that's not wet. It looks wet, but it's not wet. It was super, super shiny. And I use our Magical Chalk Paints Undercover Primer. You see that? So it's just white, and it's good for shiny surfaces. So this, like I said, this must have had a really shiny sheen to it because it was probably an interior door. And I want to make sure that the paint sticks to it. So who knows what construction stuff was on there already. So I cleaned it all up, put my undercover primer on there, and so it is ready to go. And this is also great to put on, like if your piece smells and you want to cover it up, it will help take care of that smell too. And we also found out by another user that this is a stain blocker as well. Our Force Field, which is our satin top coat, is also a stain blocker too. So it's pretty exciting that we got two prep pieces that do that. Okay, so I've been debating what color I wanted to start with. And I think I'm gonna start with pink. So let me show you guys, and I'm hoping I made enough. I never know. So here's our first color, the Dusty. Just call them the Big D. Big D and Little D. Here's Water Girl. And if you guys are new to painting or just haven't discovered it yet, if you've watched me, you should know. Always have your Water Girl with you to mist. It helps the paint go on even better. Okay, so we're gonna go with yellow. I'm gonna go with some coral. I'm gonna use the same yellow brush, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to change brushes, and I think I'm going to go with my blue. Now I made these earlier, and what I love about Magical Chalk Paint is you can just take your water and reactivate it. It's wunderbar. Yeah, just get my paint going all over again. Okay, our last color, y'all. Isn't that a pretty green? Now I'm adding water to it because it sat out uncovered. probably for the last hour. So we're just reactivating it. It's crazy. It's really crazy. This is so not even close to being finished. But you got the gist of it. I'm doing obviously just pastel colors. Then I'll add some geometric to it with the painter's tape.